My mom was telling me this story that she has a photo of me with really white hands because my hands were just constantly in the water. And so my parents would have to drag me out of the ocean. What really drew me to this profession, I remember being down at the bottom of the ocean and just looking up, just thinking, holy cow, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. And that was the start of my dream of doing ocean conservation. Being in Arizona, in a landlocked state, when you have such a passion for ocean conservation and working with marine animals, it felt unattainable.
That's why we have the required classes in partnerships and stewardship and communities.
Yeah, and I love that you're bringing this up too, because that I feel like
ASU Online has really been super beneficial to me and allows me to have flexibility in my daily life. It was almost a dream because I love what I do. I love my job. I'm close with my family. I can stay in Arizona and I can get my master's degree, which is what was my long-term goal. As a marine mammal specialist, there is so much that goes into what we do every single day, whether that is sorting through about 100 pounds of fish every single day, making sure there's no cuts, tears, to checking the salinity and pH in our systems to make sure that they're in range. Depending on the time of year, we will put on sea lion presentations. We do those 1 to 3 times a day where we introduce the guests that come into our facility to our animals. Every day is different and nothing is forced. Everything is voluntary with them. They always have the right to choose if they want to participate. And we're always looking for ways to tell them yes and never telling them no. What we do affects the ocean, even here in a landlocked state. All waterways and rivers lead back to the ocean. The ocean affects the weather here in Arizona. Like our monsoon season comes from the ocean. It doesn't just come out of nowhere. The reason why I love doing what I do so much is being able to see people so inspired by these animals and want to help protect them. When people know about the ocean, when they learn about the ocean, it creates that connection, creates the want to protect it. I love the interactions I make with our guests. I love the ocean. So being able to get up every day, create ocean connections here in Arizona is the biggest driver for me. The fact that I am an ASU Online student and getting to participate in a study abroad where I can actually go apply the things that I'm learning in real time.
Okay, I got the email. Let's see if I got into Bermuda. Oh, here it is. Yay! I got into it.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to go to Bermuda. It's really special to me because not only do I get to grow educationally, like professionally, I get to experience so much more. And the fact that I can do it as an online student, working full time, it is so much more than I could ask. Like I'm so excited for it.